You know, one of the worst parts about bombing through the deserts of North Carolina in your Ford Raptor is it just don't stay clean. No matter how much you wash it, it just gets spots and this and that. Or maybe it's just because I never wash it. But in come our buddies from Shine Armor. They sent your best friend over here some of their Fortify Quick Coat. It's basically their ceramic coat. It's supposed to give me a deep mirror finish, long-lasting durability, and easy to apply. And I'm pretty good with all those things. Let me show you what we got working with right now, and then we're gonna give the dirty girl a bath. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but you got all the water spots, you got the bugs, you got all the bad and none of the good. So hopefully this clear coat or quick coat or ceramic coat will give us the result that we need. We've got Dad over here again.
Hey guys.
Because, you know, the best kind of help is free help. First, you're going to dampen your cloth with your coating. Then spray the panel of the car. Rub it around. And then quickly switch to a dry cloth and buff out the haze. It might be hard to see on camera, but it's definitely a big difference. So we're gonna keep doing the whole car. Enjoy the show. Well, I think we got that mirror finish we were promised. This thing is nuts. That 3/4 view is insane. You can see the blue sky and the green grass, all in the black paint. Look, there's a Yukon in my Raptor. We sprayed some on the wheels to see how they would do. Maybe preventing some brake dust from sticking. Really pleased with this. So we've got ease of application, check, good. Mirror finish, stupendous. Mirroring, it's mirroring pretty good over there. Now, durability. I tell you what, guys, all that hard work, it's got me starving. Maddie, egg. Oh God. Oh, I dropped it. One more, this time I'll do it. Oh God. I don't know what to say. Shine Armor is breakfast approved, that's for sure. Still shining, still armoring. I would say that's heavy duty. Hey, what do I do with the oily rags that have touched everything dirty in my garage?
You mean leave them on the ground?
Leave them on the ground? I'll just put it right, probably right here would be good. Get a good oil smudge going. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Well guys, I'd say I can't believe it, but I'm looking right at it. No smudge from our stray shop tile. All right, so we're going to just a little bit of a trail.
Boondocks?
No, not the boondocks. We're going to really test the durability of this Shine Armor. I'm going on a little utility road. That was a fly. Going on a little utility road and get her a little dirty.
And you have to clean her.
And I have to clean it after. Oh, there's a good place to get money.
Jesus. Oh God, that's huge.
That's what she said.
That's huge. Oh my God.
So the off-road footage wasn't supposed to be all sped up, but can't do anything about that now. So let's assess the damage. Not super dirty, but dirty enough to test it out a little bit. Oh yeah, good sprayage right there. And right here you have a little bit of a mud rainbow. So that's always good. Let's see how this cleans up. Well, I chose a really good time of the day to show you guys this, but look, I only used the pressure washer. I didn't even wash it. All the mud just came right off. Still nice and shiny. I didn't dry this part off, but look how nicely the water is beaten up. And looks really good. Really impressed with it. Before, I would actually have to wash it. Also, from the egg experiment, it's important to know the Shine Armor protects it from the egg yolk, but the impact, on the other hand, do it at your own risk. Your mileage may vary. Well, guys, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with this Shine Armor stuff. And I wouldn't be telling you that if I didn't really believe it, because I don't want my name out there. Not that I'm some big guy. I don't want my name out there attached to something that's not that great. I really like the product. $20, you cannot go wrong with that. And you reapply it every couple months and it's good to go. Definitely great for the off-roader, great for your show car, great for everything. But I'm excited about how well it does with the mud and off-road. And I'll just be able to spray the truck off when I get home from going to the beach or something like that. I got your links down below. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link and I do get a kickback from that. Stay tuned for all the other fun stuff we have going on. In the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and remember, go get them revs.